41, 42. I don't know if I'll be able to trigger this light. Well, you gotta get skinny. Whoa. That was so much fun. Welcome back, all my radical people. Today's video, we are going to take the farm trike to 7-Eleven. Why would we do that? Well, for one, the Yoda, she needs to go to the doctors. And for two, why not? Hope you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be interesting. I don't know if we've ever showed you guys really the whole trike before, so I might as well just show it all to you right now. So as you see, it's got 3 wheels. Come up front here, you got your e-brake. And then over here, you got your horn. Here, you, of course, got to turn it on. There's your dashboard right there. You got your horn. Got blinkers. You got high and low beam. Come over here. You got turn your headlights on and off. Right here, you got we're in forward, and then this is reverse, and then this is high gear, and then medium, and then low. Oh yeah, and right here you got high and low gear. So if you want to climb any kind of hill, you have to put it in low gear because it'll just suck the battery out in high gear and you won't really go anywhere. So you have to put it down in low gear, but you can leave it on high gear up top, but it has to be on low gear. And then it also has a dump bed. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but let me set the camera up and I'll show you guys the dump bed. All right, so it's got latches on both sides. Underneath here. And then you just gotta pick it up. And then there's the batteries down here and all the other gadgets. All the sides fold down. They got these old school latches. That's pretty cool. Never even taken the sides down. Looks like a little lowrider. But you know, it's super fun, so I'm going to warm it up. Just joking. And we're out of here. It's 39 KMJ 40. 41. 42. I don't know if I'll be able to trigger this light. So you gotta get skinny. Whoa. Alright, we're going out on the street. Uh-oh. Look, I'm down to red power. Might have been a bad idea. Oh. It just sucks it down low. Look, it went right back up. Got no one turning in. Oh. Look at that. Where am I gonna park this thing at? I'm pulling right up in the front here.
Where'd you get this thing?
China.
Yeah?
Nah, we bought it up north.
Is he a private guy or does he sell a bunch of these? Or
Yeah, he sells these.
yeah.
If you look up Always Doing Something,
Yeah.
that's our YouTube channel, and leave a comment.
Is it electric?
It's electric.
Yeah. Hey, can I take a picture of it?
Absolutely, please do. Well, we just bought it. It's brand new. No, yeah, it doesn't show mileage or anything, but it was had all the bubble wrap on there. It comes in like boxes, and then he builds them in this warehouse, and then he distributes them. Oh. Got pulled up in the low. Starting to climb this hill right here. That was so much fun.
Thank you for choosing our electric vehicle. Please lock your lovely vehicle. Presented.
Alright, you guys, how'd you like that trip? That was fun. Everybody seemed to love this thing, and it was super fun to drive. Unfortunately, it doesn't go any faster yet. But for now, it is what it is, and it's a great little toy and a good additive for the farm here at the Waddlin Farm. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go down, give us a thumbs up, hit the like button. Leave us a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about our little farm truck, trike, whatever you want to call it. Like always, hope you guys are having a wonderful day.